It's like one set, but on separate controllers.
Yep, that's correct.
And it's the Spring Valley Station.
Yep.
Well, these are the elevators at Spring Valley Station. Here in Dallas. And that's the Dallas city limits.
Richardson.
Richardson, okay. Still learning the suburbs out here.
These were originally Dover elevators installed in 2002.
Nice.
Then in 2019, these both got or maybe in 2018, these both got, a lot of these got modernized.
I see. Go back up.
They've been modernized with PTL.
I see. Yeah, I'm definitely getting separate videos because the views are going to be different on each one. It'd be cool if these had glass doors as well.
Yeah, me too.
Kind of reminds me of the transit elevators in Denver a little bit.
Yeah, sometimes these elevators even if you press door close, it's even motor going up.
Okay, we're gonna get off at Yiki, and I'm gonna get on your side.
North elevator.
Okay, the other one's south, probably.
Yep.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna end this one, then start a new video for the other elevator.
Okay.
You can see the outside button there. There it goes. And that's it.